Hi, I'm Dave Mars. I'm a general contractor here in Arkansas. I'm a host on television. Don't really know how that one came about, but here I am. And today I'm with Zach from Nudura. We are at one of my job sites where we are building an entire house out of Nudura ICF forms. And ICF blocks were scary for me as a builder. Builders, we don't like to change a lot. We like to stick with what we know. But luckily for me, Nudura has incredible customer support, really there to answer any questions. And I had a lot when we started. Nudura has Zach. So I brought Zach to kind of explain, hey, how this process works, how they make it as user-friendly and as easy as possible. So you know, once you start using these, you'll never stop.
You're absolutely right. We're here to help you all the way through, hold your hand a little bit, if you will.
I needed it.
Right, so from taking a look at your plans, doing a takeoff to make sure that you're getting proper material counts, all the right proper pieces and parts so that you got everything out here at once, ready to go. From that point, any questions that you have, right? If we can, we're going to bring somebody down to your job site. They're going to help you get started. They're going to be there for pre-pour inspection, pour it with you, post-pour inspection. It's actually part of our trainer process, you know, becoming that recognized trainer. Beyond that, we have by far the largest number of sales folks across the nation. We got the largest distributor network throughout the US and Canada, and we're here to help you. We want to make sure that your projects are successful, that you want to continue to use Nudura forever.
Guys, I'm telling you, I felt hand-holding the entire process throughout I sent a plan to you. They gave me a takeoff right away of what I would need. Because, you know, yes, Nudura does make this as user-friendly as possible with all of the technology they have, but there are differences to traditional building. And, you know, the first time you want to know that you're doing it right for your company and for your customer, and Nudura did that for me.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.